In this video, you'll learn how to easily add a pop-up to your Google Sites page using an embed code. First, select the test page where you want to add your pop-up. Then click the Add button to begin the setup process. Type the address of the pop-up creation tool in the address bar to open it in a new tab. Next, click Start here to get started. Then select Create Apps to launch the pop-up builder. Now, choose the pop-up option from the available features and use the template provided to quickly set up your pop-up design. Publish your pop-up so it's ready to be embedded on your website. And copy the embed code. Now, close all the tabs and we'll return to our Google Sites page, open the content blocks, and select the embed option to get your pop-up code. Then edit the embed code field and paste your copied pop-up HTML. Finally, click Next and insert the code to add your pop-up to the page. You've now learned how to add a pop-up in Google Sites with just a few simple steps.